Hello everyone. So in this session we'll see a question on Taylor series. It says find the Taylor series expansion for f of x is equal to ln x centered at a equal to 1, right? So what is the Taylor series expansion of a function centered at a? It is f of x is equal to f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a. Of course there is divided by 1 factorial, which is 1 only, plus f double dash of a 2 factorial x minus a cube, and so on. 3 terms are enough. You may get any of the options matching with this. So for that we need f of x, which is ln x. Then we need f dash of x, which will be differentiation of ln x, which will be 1 by x. Then we need f double dash of x, which will be differentiation of this 1 by x, which will be minus 1 by x square, and if further it may be third derivative of x, which will be minus 2 and minus 1 become 2 and x cube, right? Now we can put it. So f of x will become, now this a is equal to 1, so ln, so the first term will be f of a, so that is ln 1 plus f dash of a, so 1 by x will become 1 by 1 factorial is also 1 into x minus a, plus f double dash of a, so f double dash of x is minus 1 by x square, so this is minus 1 by 2 into x minus a ka square, and next term is positive, so 2 by x cube, and x is equal to 1, so directly 2 by 3 factorial and x minus a cube. This I have mentioned cube, this is square. Next term will be third power, so this is 2 factorial 2 power, right? So ln 1 is like 0, so we are having x minus 1, then minus of half, so minus 1 by 2 times of, this is x minus 1 square. Next term is 2 by 3 factorial, so 3 factorial is 6, so 2 by 3 factorial becomes 1 by 3, and this is x minus 1 cube. So this f of x is the Taylor series expansion. Also sometimes they may ask the, let's say they may ask linear approximation. So linear approximation means that we will have to take terms up to first order, that constant part and the first order. So from the previous part we can say that we will take only these two terms, because after this is quadratic, this is cubic, and so on. So we'll stick to these two terms. So this will give f of x is equal to ln 1 plus it is x minus 1. so that ln1 is 0, so this is x minus 1. That's it. They may ask you the coefficient of, let's say, x minus a cube, x minus a cube. So from the previous term we can see that this is the term of x minus a cube, and what we have is f triple dash x divided by 3 factorial. So this is the coefficient is f triple dash x by 3 factorial, and that f triple dash x is 2 by x cube, and a is equal to 1. So this becomes 2 by 3 factorial, so this is 1 by 3, and that's what we have it here also. You can see this is the coefficient of x minus 1 cube, because a is equal to 1 here. So they may ask you the coefficient, they may ask you to approximate it to a linear order, and so on. So this is how we have to